How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of a hickey fast and easy. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So the trick that I'm going to show you guys, I have used it many of times and it does work. The reason why it works is because it creates friction on the skin and it causes blood flow to happen. So again, a hickey, all it is, it's just a bruise on the skin, and in order to get rid of a bruise, all you need to do is rub it, you guys, which will create friction, which causes blood flow to happen in the hickey and removes it. I recommend rubbing the hickey for at least 2 minutes straight. Do this 2 to 3 times a day. Chances are after the first 2 minutes, the hickey will be completely gone. Trust me on this, you guys. So I'm going to show you guys this right now. I actually have a hickey, or I actually have a coin with me. So again, all we're going to do is we're going to take the coin, and all we're going to do is we're going to rub it. So I'm going to show you guys what I mean. We're just going to rub it. Let's say there's a hickey right here. We're going to rub it for about a minute, you guys. So again, I'll show you what I mean for about a minute. So again, this is all that we're doing. We're just rubbing it with a coin. Now, a lot of you may be thinking this will never work. Trust me, this has worked for everyone that I've showed. And the reason why it works is because you're just causing friction. You're just creating blood flow, and that's all a hickey is. It's a bruise. So to get rid of that bruise, all you got to do is you do this. Just keep rubbing it over and over and over again. So again, we're nearing almost a minute, you guys. So again, just keep doing that. So again, I'm only going to show you guys a minute. Now, after, what you guys will see is it will look a little bit red on the spot. So I get a lot of comments from people, and they say, you know, I did your hickey trick, I rubbed it with a coin, but now there's a red mark on my neck. What gives? Why do I have a red mark? How can I get rid of this? Now, the reason why you have that red mark was because we were rubbing it with the coin for a minute. Again, I don't recommend rubbing it for a minute. I recommend rubbing it for 2 minutes. So that red mark will actually be a little bit bigger after 2 minutes is gone. The reason why you want to rub it for 2 minutes is it just creates more blood flow. Now, with the red mark will go away on its own in about 15 minutes or so. So there's nothing to worry about at all, you guys. In 15 minutes, it will be completely gone, and your hickey will be gone as well. So again, if it doesn't work after 2 minutes, then wait about 20 minutes and do it again. And then if that doesn't work, do it again after that. If you do it 2 or 3 times, it will be gone. Trust me on this. This trick does work. But again, chances are after the first time you do it, the hickey will be completely gone. And yes, the red mark will be there. In about 20 minutes or so, the red mark will be gone as well. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.